Hello and welcome to the channel. We are doing long vowel U sounds. We have covered the words which have U and they end in E. So now E tells us that U is producing its long vowel U sound. We have done the words which have double O, and double O produces its short OO sound which is OO, and long OO sound which is OO. Now, why we did short OO sound and long OO sound is still not clear, and it will be made more clear in this lesson today. We will continue with long vowel U sound. The first family that we are going to take up today is UE. If you go by the rule where we have two vowels, the first vowel will produce its long vowel sound. Now, if I go by this, UE pair should always produce the sound of U. Now, let's take an example of this is due, the expected time for something. When is your worksheet due? However, this is also pronounced as do. Now, when do I pronounce it as do, and when do I pronounce it as due? If you are a British speaker, that means you follow British pronunciation, then you say it as due. So you have long vowel U sound. But if you are using American pronunciation, you pronounce this as do. So we consider this as long vowel U word. Now in the same category, we have more words. Now if we follow the same rule, this should be blue, but this is not blue either in British pronunciation or American pronunciation. This is a blue. Blue are short OO sound. Blue, still considered a long vowel U word. That is why we covered short OO sound and long OO sounds. So this is blue, not blue. This is not blue. And there's another blue, which is when you blew the candles. That means he blew the blue candles. This also does not produce its U sound. It still produces its short OO sound, and they both are considered our long vowel U words. I know. Let me take it slow. This is do or do based on your location or which pronunciation you follow. This is a blue, and this is also blue by both the pronunciation, British or American. Now, this is a glue, some material that you use to paste. This is a glue. This is a do or dew. This is a blue, again blue. This is a glue. All of these are our long vowel U words. Now let's confuse you more with another family of words, which is EW words. Now, EW produces the sound of U in some of the words, and depending upon the pronunciation, it produces a sound of short OO sound and sometimes long OO sound. Now, before you get more confused, let's begin with the first word of EW, which is few. Few. You hear loud and clear sound of U, which is long vowel U sound. Few. And It is pronounced as few both in British pronunciation as well as American pronunciation. Now let's move on to a confusing one. This is new in British pronunciation. So this comes under long vowel U words, but it is pronounced as nu, nu in American pronunciation. So this is a nu. And this is past tense of know, that you already know of something. So this is again new. This is new, that is not old. So this is new shirt, also pronounced as new. Again, long vowel U word. So long vowel U, new, but it is pronounced as new and new in American pronunciation. This is a few, new, and new. The next one is blue. Blue in American pronunciation as well as in British pronunciation, but it still comes under long U words because of its short vowel OO sound. Oo sound. Blue. It's not blue, it's blue, the candles. So, blue. Now this one is not chew. This is a chew. This is a chew, both in American pronunciation as well as British pronunciation. This is chew, the long OO sound. So now you see how our short OO sound and long OO sound is used in pronouncing our words which have long U vowel sound. So this is chew, chew your food. This is few. This is new or nu. This is new, as if you already know of something, so that you have knowledge of something. So nu or new. This is a blue, and this is a chew. I hope the confusing lesson was made less confusing by the pronunciation, and also how they are categorized and why they are categorized under long U words. And this brings end to our lessons where we have covered short vowel sounds of our alphabets and also our long vowel sounds. I hope to see you with something new in the next lesson. Bye for now.